NI04 right here, and also a NI04 shell with a clonable, and see if this detects it. I don't know if that's the right transponder. Let's see here. There it is. So I need this one. What I'm gonna do, actually, I think here. I think that's what I need right there, scene 3. Yeah, that's what I need. So I'm gonna take the scene 3 and I'm gonna shell it up. I'm doing this for fun, but I'm going to program one key in and then clone it using the CN900 Mini, just for fun. So this guy in here. Alright, so there's 2 keys, and this one is a blank ID46. So be right back. I'm gonna pick the ignition because it'll have all 10 spaces. I'm gonna shut the door so the door buzzer doesn't go crazy. Well, I guess not. I'm gonna have to duck under so I can see it. Alright. Getting awkward. Arm is getting tired. There it is. Whew. Damn. All right. One, 2, 3, 4, security light and all that. Oh boy. Go off. Security light right there on the car. Well, this would be impossible to film, so I'm not going to do it. Be right back. Ran my results. Got a valid code, so I'm going to cut a test key. That's just how I do it. Got the 88 degree in here. Half of the key cut. Space 1. There we go. We're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3. So now I'm just gonna cut the transponder keys in a moment. Sometimes these are sharp, the edges. Alright, so I'll be right back. Just cut the transponder keys, they look good. I'm gonna test them all on the door real quick. Works. Okay, pocket that one. That's the clonable. Now for the transponder, the NIO4, freshly cut. And if the key gets sticky like that, you can just work it in and out of the lock a few times, or swipe it with a file. It works. Okay. So I'm gonna stick the NIO4 in first. Security light, nice and present. I haven't used this programmer in forever, but it's tokenless and it does Nissan and Infinity like a boss. Taking too long, I've been here for 15 minutes already. Pin code calculator. It likes it to have the ignition off, I believe. Yeah. Okay. This is a 2010, so we're gonna remember the new 9418. Ignition on. Light still present. All right. Escape. Escape. 4-digit. I think it was 9814, right? I just realized I forgot it. It might not be it. Wrong password, whoopsie daisies. Escape. He's so stupid. I'll leave it on, see what happens. 9418. 9418. 9418. Is it one old? Okay, so it was the old. I'm a dumbass. Okay, it'll give you instructions, but you don't need to look at that. I'll blink 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Starts right up. Ignition granted. Do it again. No security light at all. Starts right up. Pretty easy. Now let's clone it. It says crypto 46 now because it's programmed. We're going to copy it. Oops, forgot to leave it in there. Copy. Oh, what am I doing? Success. So this key should start it now. Okay. I haven't eaten breakfast, so I'm kind of a dipshit today. New key. No light. Starts it right up. Shazam. Okay, clonable. And the transponder.